Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, so Reggae Sumfest 2022. I'm here with the diva right here. So, Desha, what brings you out here tonight? Of course, besides, Ding Dong performing.
Yes, but honestly, I just wanted to, because, we're locked down for so long.
Yeah.
But I still want to experience, I want to see what the artists are going to bring, and them really I bring it, to be honest. Like Marcy Chin just come off and she did a really good job. 450 dep on it now, and he mash it up. Yeah, so I'm not telling a lie. The artists them come out in them outfit, them come out and them bring it, and I'm not telling. Remember, say Sumfest hard for please,
Yeah.
So from me see them I get them.
And
a
2 years, people them lock up
right,
and outside
so
again.
It's very overwhelming. It's I love it. Trust me.
You think the show still ever keep with the air, but the rain and the all gonna examine? You think they're gonna still go on?
Yes, because Sumfest always rain.
Oh really?
Always.
I mean, what time you reaching? I know say true. I always walk around and the place kind of dumpy and stuff.
Always. So I expect it. Because even when I drive come, I say, yeah.
All right, so I have to ask you this. Is there a special magic to the whole stir fry?
No, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings, make sure you're in it.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize, plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets, and smart TVs. Dial *129 sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Flow some summer. Plenty prize in a flow some summer.
Conditions apply.
Because honestly, it's like a hit or miss to most people. Like sometimes it's either you catch it or you don't catch it.
No, it's alright. No.
What is it? What is it to it? Because when we can do the steps, then we can't catch the flavor. Like we can't catch the flavor of the stir fry. We can't catch
simple.
it.
I mean, you have to just put your little groove in it. You don't have to do too much. Just anything.
How can you? So you just hold on. So you just all right. So at the hand movement, me I try to catch you, Desha. Don't flap me. So you go so. All right. So me catch you. What about the power when you go down? So now with the hand like, So you throw your hand so. So no, me I try to catch you, Desha. Work with me, no man. All right. So you just
hold on.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So it's 1, 2, and it.
Well, that's it, Stir Fry. Let's hear with Desha.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay.
man, no problem.
Always a pleasure talking to you.
Always. All right.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.